Hey everyone, so if you want to instantly translate text using your phone camera like signs menus or documents, yeah, Google Translate Camera Scan can do that in seconds. I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone. Make sure your internet is on for better accuracy, especially when scanning complex text. Now tap the camera icon. This opens the live camera translation mode where you can point your phone at any text. Next, choose the language you're scanning from and the language you want to translate into. If you're not sure, just set it to detect language for automatic recognition. Now point your camera at the text you want to translate. Try to hold your phone steady and make sure the text is clearly visible. You'll usually see two options, instant translation or scan mode. Instant shows translation right away on screen, while scan mode lets you select specific text for better accuracy. If the text isn't clear, move your phone closer or improve lighting. And yeah, sometimes just slightly changing the angle helps a lot. And that's it. Now you can translate anything instantly using your camera. It's super useful for travel, studying, or just understanding foreign text on the go.